If you're looking for ways to cash in $100 without skills or expertise, then you're watching the right video. The secret is now out. I've found this loophole that allows you to generate money every month. However, you need to use this the right way, and no matter where you are in the world, this will work for you, and this is totally free. Just keep on watching as I show you the tutorial. This might be life-changing for you, so make sure that you stick with me until the end. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now, let's begin the tutorial. I want you to go over to this website that I'll be sharing with you in a bit, so stay tuned. As the website opens, you'll see here, Welcome to Money Pantry, simple solutions to earn safely more money online. Now, you'll find many different techniques and strategies to make money online on this website and in these blog postings. This is a really fantastic site with a plethora of data. Kudos to the owners of this website. Take a look at this and amazingly learned various ways to generate money, and it is a legal technique to make money online. There are over 150 real work from home jobs available right now, so there are numerous ways to earn money, save money, and obtain freebies. On this webpage, to be exact, you can view over different sites that are willing to pay you $100 to $2,000, which means that you're getting paid to simply write. As I've mentioned earlier, it doesn't require skills, which means that you don't have to be good or better in English for you to qualify, because I'll be sharing with you a Google trick to get things done for you, and all you have to do is wait and get the payments. When you visit this website, you'll notice that there are a variety of companies eager to pay you to produce articles for them. For example, this company right here on this website, Transition Abroad, is willing to pay you $150 per blog post. As you continue to scroll down, you can see that there are literally hundreds and thousands of different companies willing to pay you a great deal of money. You can see here that they're willing to pay you up to $500 per blog post, like this one magazine up to $2,000 per blog post. Their earning potential here is unlimited. Let me give you an example of how you may get money online by simply writing on Google. You can find sites that pay you to write on common interests here. I want to show you this one. It's really easy to write about common interests, so there's no conflict, and I'll show you 5 free articles right now. As a result, you can simply receive some inspiration and ideas, or even copy and paste those that have already been completed for your articles. As promised, you don't really have to write anything, you don't have to write your own articles, and you can just get paid right now. For example, this company Vibrant Life is willing to pay anywhere from $100 to $300, and all you have to do is just click on this link, Vibrant Life, and then you'll be taken to the website vibrantlife.com. Let me prove to you how straightforward it is to get compensated on this website. Now, highly essential articles should concentrate on a single issue and stick with it until the end. These are extremely short posts with only a few hundred words and data, but you can earn up to $300 for every single one, which is a very good earning opportunity, especially if you're new at this and you don't have enough experience at all. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, I'd like to offer you an example of how excellent the pay is. For instance, I'd like to show you this website. This one is called Text Broker. This website will pay you to write articles as well, but let me show you how the pricing differs depending on how much money you may make. For example, if you're writing articles for Text Broker, if you write 500 words per article, you'll be paid just about $5, but for this website, Vibrant Life, they can pay you up to $300 by simply writing very short articles above 450 to 650 words. Now, let's get started as I'll teach you how to do this. The next step is for you to head over to Quora.com. Quora is a free online community where individuals may ask and answer questions. You can also provide an answer to a question. For example, this question right here. Many people are interested in this topic. Now, if I go to this link right now, you can see that a lot of people are interested in these posts. Now, if we scroll down to the bottom, you can find this many answers. The response, for example, over here is from this guy. For more information, check here, and there is the entirety of the insightful article on the Quora website. I actually prefer Quora so much because you can get hundreds of diverse answers, but they automatically offer you the best answer at the top, like this one. When you search on these topics, they'll give you the greatest response at the top, and then you can just read these articles. You can then replicate this one, but keep in mind that you don't want to reproduce it exactly to avoid plagiarism. Now head on over to google.com, and I'd like you to type in Google Docs and then hit the search button. You'll then see the first link right here, Google Docs, which I would like you to click on. Then you'll be taken to this tab where you can create a new document by clicking on this one right here, and we're gonna create a new Google Doc, which will be a blank document where you can begin copying and pasting information. What we're simply gonna do is copy the response and paste it onto this document. From there, we'll submit it and be paid on several platforms. We're heading back to Quora now, and then you'll open up different links based on your preferences. Then you'll just copy this post and paste it right here in Google Docs, and you can do the same thing on Quora where we can get diverse responses from other blog entries. We're doing this so that you don't copy exactly what other people are doing. We need to alter it and make sure that it is published worthy. There's another Google trick for you once you read those articles and gotten some insight and references from other people's responses. You can go back to Google Docs and click on this tool button right here. Then click on voice typing, and instead of typing and writing the articles yourself, you can actually speak, and then this special tagging feature will appear. All you need to do now is copy and paste. Simply click this button to disable the typing tool after it's done speaking. This is a great method, a Google trick that you can use instead of manually putting out articles and blog entries. You can just talk and read the response out loud. If you don't want to write, just talking to the microphone and Google will type it up for you. So the secret tool that we're using today is called Money Pantry. Just go to moneypantry.com right now and do whatever we suggest to make some money. Now, this bonus site that I'm about to show you is called listverse.com. This website is now offering to pay you to write a top 10 list. Top 10 fascinating facts about Christmas, top 10 experimental films to watch right now, and many more. And they actually offer up to $150 per top 10 list. As a result, this is a fantastic possibility for you to earn money online. You can now return to Quora. For instance, if you're offered this top 10 incredible smells, you can just go to Quora.com. After that, type in a keyword such as top 10 incredible smells, then hit the search button. You can also conduct a search on the subject to see if you can uncover any useful information. Just make sure to do it creatively, and just like that, you can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars for posting it online. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.